Let's make gluten-free pumpkin roll with cream cheese frosting. Start by beating the egg and sugar until fluffy, and then add oil, milk, and vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Next, mix all the dry ingredients and then combine all the wet and dry ingredients together. Line up a 15-inch by 10-inch pan with parchment paper and grease the parchment paper. Spread the batter evenly into the prepared pan. Bake at 190 degrees centigrade for about 15 minutes. Once the cake is cooling, let's prepare the cheese frosting. Combine the butter, cream cheese, and vanilla essence and beat until smooth. Next, add the icing sugar and mix again. Once the cake has cooled, spread the cream cheese frosting evenly and then refrigerate. This cake is very yummy. You may want to try it. Grab your gluten-free pumpkin flour and get baking.